Maheiroi Singna Meeoiba Khudingmak Nungsiba Ngamlabadi Mareibak Nungsiba Ngamlakkani haina Lok Shaba ki member Alfred Kangam S Arthur na phongdokkhre wafam asi TOSC class 10 amasung 12 examination da singtha ningai oiba mong da pass tawrakraba Maheiroi sing okpa masuk pungning thogatpagi thoramda magna phongdokhibane Muslim Students Development Organization MSDO na sinduna sangga yumpham community hoda pangthokiba thoramaduda magna hai Ngasigi Maheiroi singasina laibak asigi tungi laibak lepkadawribane Maheiroi Khudingmak khangba kanba amadi Meeoiba Khudingmak nungsiba ngamlaba matamda Mareibak nungshiba Ngamlakkani maramaduna tangdu laitaba chawkhatpa Manipur ama oinabagidamak Maheiroi singase chahi nauringaidagi khangba kanba amadi minungsi tambibagi tangaifadaba lei haina mahakna phongdokhi
Icha Singna fajana haini ahalamandasu fajana haini se sangai phomna nungsi chana fajana khangda mi ukhul lakpa thaini matamda haumacha haibadu ukhul lakpa tangkhul macha ama haumacha ama go thajara da vote pi bai se ai thamai ki message giving ko se aphama sangai ko moishino in 15 years sanitara manada 15 years delakre ko tabta Surya Kumar su ai su ahan ora ko matamda Hancang kaya ko matamda sangai uphamse nungdang pung baro do pungani do pung mga do police darkar to de kari darkar to de nupi ero nupa ero anybody is free to go in and out or up and down mashana chachaba matamda kari ki no hairaga samaj tuna society tuna ishana shemdo kraga aphaba matham ongre habise adu success haibda isha gi damakta inaw sojari bani gi damakta de adu no oigini
Ngasi pangthokiba thoramaduda Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency gi MP Alfred Kangam S Arthur Khangabok AC gi MLA Surya Kumar Okram Sangha Yumpham Jila Parishad ki member MT Samsur Khan Thoba Jila Parishad ki hanagi Daksya MB Ataur Rahman Sangha Yumpham Jila Parishad ki hanagi member MD Hibjur Rahman All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMSOGI President MD Imtiaz Khan MSDO ki President MD Wahid Khan MSDO Central Committee ki Chairman MD Jamir Khan Social Welfare Association SWA Sangha Yumpham ki President MD Nazaruddin Ahmade Social Worker MD Zanab Khan na maruiba mitunglen singoina saruyaki Thoramadugi sarugama oina Local Academician Dr. Rahezuddin Sek Manipur Lengaki Department of Minority Affairs ki Deputy Director MD Salahuddin Khan Kha Manipur College Culture ki Associate Professor MD Nizamuddin Ahmadi Petrigu College Ukhrul ki Associate Professor Dr. MD Indar Rahman na Resource Person singoina wangang ki Thoramaduda Bosem Kosem amadi CVS ina loba class 10 amadi 12 ki exam da position lawrakraba amadi mark wangna phangduna pass tawrakraba amadi MCI pass tawrakraba Maheiroi singda manapi duna puning thogatki